In this video, we are going to see that if we want to add a motivational quote or any kind of quote in our profile, let's say that you are a motivational speaker or a teacher or an influencer, you want to add a famous people quote, or maybe you have a favorite quotation of yourself. Here's how you can easily add it on your profile. First of all, just click on the profile icon, whether from here on the top right hand corner or whether from this left navigation pane. We click on it and we go to the about section and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says details about you. We click on this and it says favorite quotes. Add your favorite quotations. I already have copied the quotation. I'll just paste it here, and you can put double quotation mark on both sides, and you can share it with your public or friends of friends or friends or other custom settings, whatever you like. Click on save, and that is how we do it. Now, if we click on view as, it will be shown publicly like this. If we head over to the about section, details about you, this is the favorite quotation and this is how it is shown. So pretty helpful. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.